Hey everyone, wanted to do a follow-up on my last video with this 9.6-inch screen. A user, what was his name, Makun MJ Patel, replied and asked, why not mount this screen? Instead of mounting it here, mount it up here. Now, my initial reaction was, well, this angle is going to be all off. You know, they create the angle of this screen based on the surface you're going to mount it on. When you move it around, typically the angles don't match up. Well, this one actually worked. It does match up. And it looks, you know, it's pretty good. Now, of course, I just have it taped back here again, temporary, just kind of holding it up. But in that way, it works, okay? You've got a good angle. However, you know, you've got this cable, then doing this, and, you know, you're going to be sticking it to your dash, which it's probably not a big deal. Even if this double-sided tape leaves a little residue, it does come off. I've gotten it off of other things before, no problem. And the biggest reason for doing this is you have no obstruction here with the air vent. Yeah, you could probably mount, you know, you'd have to pull the dash though. If you pull this dash off, you could probably mount this. You definitely could mount this ribbon cable, feed it through here into this opening and go underneath this piece here and come out down below. So that would eliminate this cable. So, you know, pretty good idea. I'm honestly surprised that this works. So check out my other video on all the details on this screen, how to install it. By the way, install super quick. This screen has pretty much the best display I've seen, highest resolution, and CarPlay, Android Auto. Anyway, check out the other video for all the details. Thanks. Hey, like and subscribe, and thank MJ. All right, thanks, guys.